Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. This week, we decided to do a question and answer section. So, we decided to take the three most common questions that we get asked and come up with some answers for you. The first one is, what is better, new school versus old school appliances? Well, that a lot depends on you and your situation, okay? Using me, for example, I am single, I don't have any kids, I do maybe 2 loads, maybe, let's say about 5 loads a month, basically a little more than one a week. So I don't use a whole lot of water and stuff like that, so it's not beneficial for me to spend these $600, $700, $800 to save money on a load of wash. And what I mean by that is I actually took my water bill, took it into the gallons of water. Yes, I did the whole math out, and it came out that the new machines would save me about 50 to 60 cents per use. Okay, now my machines are old. I can repair them myself, so I keep them running. For me to justify spending $600 on a brand new unit, I'm gonna have to do well over probably 1,000 loads. Okay, I doubt I'm gonna do 1,000 loads in the next 20 years. It's not beneficial for me. Now, if I take that same math and say, okay, well, if I have a wife, 3 kids, and we're doing 4 to 5 loads a week, we're talking that's $3 a week. You multiply that times 52, you're talking $150 right there. So in a matter of 3 to 4 years, the washer has paid for itself in money you are saving. Okay. Now, as for reliability, I got to go old school. Parts are cheaper to get, they're easy to repair, and there's very little electronics on them. So to me, the old school ones are better, but they're not saving me any money. And that's the best advice I can give for you. What does work for you? If you do a lot of laundry, you're going to want something newer. If you don't do a lot of laundry, you may want to think about getting something older. Okay. The second question is, let me get to my little pad of paper here. The little thing is, front loaders. Can I add clothes to a front load washer? Well, that is a definite maybe. And what I mean by that is, some manufacturers allow you the first X number of minutes to basically stop the machine, open the door, throw some more clothes in, close the door, and continue. But once the water level gets to a certain level in the tub, the door is permanently locked until it drains again. So I want to say, not generally are you allowed, or they're going to allow you to put clothes in. Now, you've seen the Samsung washer that has the little flap that opens up that you can throw clothes in. Some of the Maytags and Whirlpools, like I said, they have a time limit. You'll get 3 to 5 minutes before it actually starts running full that you can actually stop it and add clothes to it. But on a general rule, not really. Okay, so pretty much once it's loaded, let it go, let it run, and forget about it. Because what happens is, if you stop it, you might actually hit cancel, then you got to start the whole cycle over again. Yeah, you've only wasted 5 to 10 minutes, but you still wasted 5 to 10 minutes. So, but as a general rule, you really can't put more clothes in the washer once you started. So you kind of got to do a little bit of your due diligence and lay them out properly and make sure you got what you're going with. The third one is, this is kind of a specific question, but we're going to answer it, is all-in-ones, how do they drain like normal? Well, where does the water go? Well, they have normal drains. It is usually a smaller unit, but it is a functioning washer. So it has the drain, it has the whole 9 yards. The difference is it actually has a heating unit that once all the water is drained out and spun out, will actually start heating the inside of the drum, basically working just like a dryer. So as for the ventless dryers, they have little tubes that take the condensation away. On an all-in-one dryer, it basically has drain tubes that look like a normal washer that you'll plug into the drain hole. It'll drain it all out and call it good. So I hope I answered your questions. Feel free to text us in with some more questions on the YouTube channel. We'll be glad to address them as they come up. So you folks have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good week.